Hey, what's up, you guys? Sorry I haven't made a vid in a while. I've been really busy for the past couple of months. Currently, I'm in Tokyo, actually. I used some of my reskinning earnings to fund a trip to get over here, so I've been over here for a couple of weeks. I'll probably post like an overview video of Tokyo with some cool videos and photos to the channel, and you guys can take a look. But again, I'm really sorry I haven't posted in a while. I'm sure some of you guys thought I'm gone, but I'll be back in a couple of days, so I'll be posting more regular videos. So for this video, I just wanted to make a quick one to update you guys on what I'm doing right now. And I also want to talk about Amazon apps because some people have been running into some problems recently, and I just want to give you guys a little warning and a heads up. It's still a good way to make money, but it's just riskier than we originally expected. So about Amazon apps, in some of my videos, I've been telling you guys about buying a template on Chupa Mobile, reskinning it, and then putting it onto the Amazon App Store and letting it sit there and earn either ad revenue or earn money from paid apps. But this is a little riskier than we thought because Amazon kind of started to crack down on these types of apps. So usually what you do is you find a popular iOS app that hasn't hit the Amazon market and you bring it over there. But Amazon is rejecting a lot of these apps because they're saying they're infringing copyright, even though there really is no copyright problem. You can't really copyright a concept of an app, especially if it's just a game. And we changed the graphics and everything too, changed the name, and they still reject it a lot of the time. So that is an issue. What I found is uh, if you keep submitting it, eventually they're going to accept it because the reviewer changes and some of them are more relaxed. Or you could create a new Amazon account and try to list it on that one and it might get accepted. Um, but occasionally it just will never get accepted, so you could lose your total investment. So I just want to warn you guys when you try to reskin an Amazon app like this, be ready to lose the entire investment because they might just never accept the app or ban your account or something, and you'll lose the entire investment. Usually, Amazon apps are kind of cheap to purchase, like $50 to $100, so it's not terrible. But if that's all the starting money you have, you want to be careful with this. My best advice is to reskin it properly, change the graphics, make sure the name isn't too similar to the actual name of the popular app, and make sure the icon's not too similar either. Again, you don't have to get this all right the first time. If they reject it, you can just submit it again with the proper changes. Sometimes they ask for like a license. Usually I just attach my Chupa Mobile license, and sometimes it gets through, sometimes it doesn't. So it really all depends. So Amazon reskinning is not as good as it was, but you can still definitely make a lot of money from it. I'm still making money from one of my old ones. It's making like $30, $40 a week still. And I have a student who watched these videos and he's making a lot of money from his Amazon app too. Um, and I also had another student that was having some problems submitting, but then finally he was able to get it submitted. So if you keep trying, eventually it'll go through most of the time. I did, however, have a really good one. It was for the Love Balls app. I submitted it to Amazon, got everything going. It was making a ton of money, and it was the second spot. And then all of a sudden, even though it had already been accepted, Amazon rejected it afterwards and told me I was violating copyright. And then I looked on there, and it seems that they removed all of the Loving Balls apps except the very first slot. So I'm suspecting that that person reported all of us and didn't want the competition, which kind of sucks. But there's really nothing you can do about it when that happens. So I lost about $50 from that. But anyway, you just have to be careful with that. And I just wanted to let you guys know in this short video. Um, I'll be posting more about iOS reskins in my coming videos, but I just wanted to do a quick one today to update you guys about me and to update you guys about this Amazon app reskinning. So I hope you've all had a pretty good summer so far. Mine has been very busy, but I'll start uploading videos frequently, like once a week, like I was doing before, starting in a couple of days. So again, be sure to check out my free ebook on Amazon reskinning, even though it's a little riskier now. And also be sure to check out my course on iOS app reskinning. It's been up for a while now, and a lot of students have been having some good success with it. So definitely check that out. The links to those things will be in the bio. And have a great day, everyone.